guys, it's Saving with Shay, and I'm here for my weekend Walmart haul for you guys. Listen, if you are new here, I got this big ass frog in my throat, and it won't leave. It's just there, and I have no water to drink or nothing. So please excuse the frog in my throat. But if you're new here, this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also, make sure that you smash the like button and support your girl. And don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on by ringing the notification bell so you never, ever miss out on a video or a deal. So listen, for my weekend, I need 10 offers for $1. Not excited about it at all, but because I do have the larger bonus that I'm tracking for, I think I'm more than halfway through it now. I'm definitely going to knock out the 10 that I need. So what did you guys get? Did you guys get a weekend? And so I got one, but I could have not got one. I probably would have still did some deals anyways. Oh, I did do the Flavor Wiki surveys. One of you guys asked me, is it a website or an app? One time I signed in through the browser, which I usually use a browser. It asked me if I wanted to download the app, and so I did. So I assume there is an app because I have the app on my phone. But when I use it on the other phone, I use the browser. And so with Flavor Wiki, I did do the fast food survey. I finished it was it 2 days ago now? I had to go to Burger King, McDonald's, and Chick-fil-A. And with this survey, you had to wait 3 hours between the stores. So I went to Burger King for breakfast, waited 3 hours, went to McDonald's, and then Chick-fil-A. I figured Chick-fil-A was going to cost the most, so I was expecting to spend more there. So with Burger King, I used a coupon and got a breakfast meal that came with 2 sandwiches for $6. And then McDonald's, I ordered a $5 meal. And at Chick-fil-A, I ordered a 2-piece strip chicken kids meal. And so all of that worked. Basically paid less than $20 and got back $48, y'all, which is really, really awesome. So that money there is definitely going to come in handy towards this haul. But what I could say about Flavor Wiki is that you're not going to get all of the surveys that you apply for or whatever, because you have to do a pre-qualification survey first to see if you're a match for that one or not. But I would say just keep doing them. Normally pop up really early, I would say 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. And if you're the type of person where you're like, oh, I'll just do it later it won't be there. All right. So as soon as it pops up for me, I do it. I do the pre-qualification survey because you never know if you're going to get it unless you do it right. And so other than that, you guys, we're going to head to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to teach your girl what you know to do, keep on watching.
The return of Jimmy Dean, you guys. The return of Jimmy Dean. I have to say that I have officially gotten rid of all of the Jimmy Deans in my freezer, except the 4 that I'm still waiting for my points to get back to me on. And I have an open box, and that is it. So I'm going to do this deal on the griddles. They're priced at $6.26. I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 of them. I'll pay $12.52, getting back 7 on Swagbucks, and I'll get back a total of $3.64 on Checkoff 51. It'll make them 94 cents each. I think I might just max this out and get 4, to be honest.
All right, guys,
so,
listen.
Yeah.
One of you guys asked me about the ice cream pie deal or rebate on Fetch Reward, and I tried to put something together. Now, let me say that I do have a coupon for the Briars that I'm going to be using. It's a Tear Pad coupon, and it's for $1.50. Now, this one does expire on the 12th of November, so yeah, I'm going to definitely be doing this today. So this is the deal that I came up with. I'm not sure if it's going to work. And so we have offers on 3 different
It's going to be a combo deal. So we're going to grab the Briars ice cream priced at $5.14, and then we're going to swing over here and we're going to grab the Merry Calendars pies. Now this is a Fetch Reward. Well, it's a triple stack. It's Fetch Reward, buy the pie, and the ice cream, get back 5. On Swagbucks, it's buy 2 ice cream, get back 3. Also have 380 kicks on Shopkick, which is 152 times 3 for the ice cream as well. So this is what it's going to look like. We're going to grab 3 of the pies and 3 of the ice creams. Now, you could probably find cheaper pies, but these are frozen. They'll last longer. They should run at least throughout the holiday season, right? Versus getting the shelf ones. I'll probably switch this one now because it looks kind of grimy. And so we're going to grab a total of 3 of each. The total for all 6 products
is going to come to $32.31. We're going to use 3 of those $1.50 coupons on the ice creams, which will bring the total down to paying $27.81 out of pocket. But then we'll get back $1.52 for each of the ice creams on Shopkick since limit is 3. We'll also be getting back $3 on Swagbucks, which is buy 3 ice creams, get back 3. And then last but not least, we'll get back a total of $15 on Fetch, which is buy the pie and the ice cream, get $5 back times 3. Limit on that is limit of 5. So it'll bring these down to 87 cents each, you guys. So I'll let you know how this works out. If it does work out good, you guys, this is going to be such an awesome deal. Awesome, awesome deals, especially for the holiday season. What? Dessert is on me. And I got it for $6. What? All right, so I have to do this deal on the Merci. I'm gonna grab the larger one and the smaller one right here. They are priced at $6.96. So for this, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a total of 2 of them. I went up paying $13.92 out of pocket. I'll get back $3 total from Ibotta, $3 from Checkout 51, and I'll get back 850 points on my points, which is 531. It'll bring these down to only $1.30. I'm also grabbing the larger one here, priced at $10.84. I wound up paying $21.68 out of pocket. I'll get back 5 on Ibotta, 6 on Checkout 51, and I'll get back 1,360 points on my points, which is $8.50, making that $1.09. And so I'm excited to do this deal, y'all, because I'm going to put together some baskets for Josiah's teacher and the teacher's aide. And so, yeah, not a bad deal. All right, so this next deal is going to be on the American Greetings. Now, all stores don't carry American Greetings. I know that in my area, out of the 3 stores I go to, only 1 carries them. The other 2 stores are Hallmark. And so, and my offers for American Greetings. So, I was here last week because a lot of you guys were saying to try scanning the the tissue paper or the bags and stuff like that, the cards. I scanned all the cards that were here, priced for 99 cents, 98 cents. None of them worked for me for that dollar offer on Ibotta. I scanned some of the tissues. I think I scanned the solid ones, but I didn't scan these. And so they're priced at $148. Only one that's working on Ibotta for the dollar offer is this one here and this one here. All right. So for this deal, you want to grab a total of, you're going to grab 3 of them. All right. You'll pay $4.44. You'll get back $1 for each on Ibotta plus $1 bonus for buying 3. Brings them down to 44 cents for all 3, or only 16 cents, which is definitely not a bad deal. Okay, really quick. This one right here with the dark green and the red, that one actually works as well. The green one, the lime one and the red one, that one didn't scan for me. So it's the red and the dark green one, this one, and then this one that's working. Okay, really quick. The Halloween clearance is 90%. I've kind of been watching these warmers, these scent warmers, or wax warmers. These here are not clearance. I think those are scanning for like 17, but I've been watching this particular one right here. And it's actually clearance. Last time I came, it was 4. It was 75% off, but now it's 90% off. So this is only going to cost $1.64. So yeah, there's the UPC. Let me scan it for you really quick. Scanning for $164. There was like maybe 4 last time I came. But they don't have any more. You guys, I found some hang tags. I'm so excited. I only found 1 since they came out. And so I'm super, super stoked. Oh my gosh, let me see what kind of deal I can come up with. All right, so this next several deals are laundry deals, which are awesome. I love doing laundry deals. I'm going to grab the Ultra Packs. Now, they don't have the active in the Ultra Pack. They only have the liquid. And I'm not sure if I really want to pay $1.50 extra for the liquid, even though I know I would probably use it. I'm going to decide while I'm here if I'm going to grab the active and the liquid, but I'm definitely going to be grabbing the Ultra Packs Everyday Clean, the original one, which is on rollback for $11.47. Now I'm going to be using this $3 IP that I bought from IP Fairy. So hopefully it works. If it does, it'll bring the total down to paying $8.47, getting back 3 on Ibotta. There's also 340 points on my points, which is $2.12, making it $3.35, which is not bad. I was only hoping that they had active, but they don't. So I have to do the all. I was trying to see what kind of deal I could run with the hang tags. It's for $2. And so I think what I'm gonna do, I was gonna grab this one here. It's the larger bottle priced at $12.57. But since the offer on the sister apps is working on the smaller ones down there, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab 2 of these Sensitive Fresh Spring Breeze. They're priced at $5.22. Now I don't have the offer on Ibotta anymore. If you do, it's a limit of 1, so it'd be a better deal for you there. I do have it on for the Walmart app, so I've activated the offer. I don't know if it's going to work with the coupon. I'll let you guys know, but even without the coupon, it's still going to be a moneymaker. And so we're going to grab a couple of these priced at $5.22. We'll be using 2 of the hang tags, which are right here. That's going to be the total down to you paying $6.44, getting back 8 on Swagbucks. I'll probably do my points if I can, though. It'll make it $1.56 moneymaker. If I happen to get the Walmart reward offer of $1.50, it'll be a $3.06 moneymaker. All right, guys, I had to make a correction really quick. I kid you not, when I left the house, I checked before I came, and this one with the blue top was working for the offer on the sister apps. I went and checked out, submitted my receipt. I tell y'all, always submit your receipts in the store or in a car or in a parking lot. But never, ever, 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 ever wait till you get home to submit a receipt, because you will always most likely regret it. But I submitted this one, and it went into review. And then I scanned it with my points, and it wasn't working anymore. Because I was going to come out, I was going to get 2 more bottles, because I was like, hey, why didn't I just grab 4? And so I came back and I scanned it with my points, and it's not working. And I kind of low-key don't want to try and submit it and it not be approved. So I'm going to wait to see what happens with my points. If it gets approved there, then I'll probably do it again. And hopefully the offer is still at like $7, which would be really cool. But I just wanted to kind of clarify that. I'm going to grab. Now for this really quick, I did order snuggle coupons as well. All right. Mine's expire on the 16th. All right. So for this, I'm going to go ahead and grab the larger one priced at $9.97. I'll also grab the smaller one priced at $5.97. Hopefully use 2 of these printables. Hopefully they scan. That's going to bring that total down to you paying $12.94. You'll get back $2 for the small one, $3 for the larger one on Ibotta. And there's also 510 points on my points, which is $3.18 for buying the 2. Getting back 510 points on my points, which is $3.18. $2 back on checkout 51 and $1 on fetch for spending 10, bringing these down to only 88 cents each. We're gonna grab these as well. Luckily, they only have one of the large ones that I need, which is this one here. And so I'm gonna grab that one priced at $7.32. I'll also grab the one at $4.77. I'll use the same $1.50 coupon. Again, I really am crossing my fingers that they actually scan. That'll bring the total down to $9.09 out of pocket. I'll get back $1 for one, $1.25 for the other on Ibotta. Again, 510 points on my points, which is $3.18. $2 on checkout 51, $1 on fetch, making them only 33 cents each. Our complete haul for today. This worked out pretty good. I don't think I had any like major issues. All my coupons scanned. So the per sale $3 scan, Snuggles scan, no problems. I went to self-checkout. I used 4 of the Snuggles on 1 receipt. So that worked out perfectly fine. I'm gonna try to make this super quick because it's starting to get dark in here and I gotta put this stuff back in the freezer. What do I want to say? As far as the fast food survey that I did for Flavor Wiki, it did go through already, and I already have that in my PayPal. I also have one of the $30 for the condiments that I did in my last video, and I have one $9 one. Now, I had an issue with the surveys that I did. I guess something wasn't right, so they resent it to me. And so that's why the other 2 sets are delayed. So I will be getting back an extra 27. That was the $9 follow-up survey times 3. I did have 5, but there was a mix-up, and it's actually only going to be 3 of them for $9. So I'll count the 3 that I'm getting back for the $9 for this haul, because I wasn't sure if I was going to get it, so I didn't want to count it in my last haul. And then what else? And I think that's it with Flavor Wiki. So Flavor Wiki, you're getting back a total of $75, which is really awesome. And again, when they send you the payment, it's a claim. So you actually, when they send you the email, you have to claim it. And then you enter your PayPal if that's what you want. And then it goes straight to your PayPal. I'm starting to really get the hang of it. And so just wanted to add that. Other than that, you guys, I did get back an extra $1.70 for the Breyers and the
pies deal that I did on Fetch Reward. I had an offer that was $1.70 back when you buy 2 Briars. So I do have one tracking for next time. And I thought about doing it again, but I just do not have the freezer space at all. Like I don't. And so I can't even pretend to do it again. Like I can't. I have no space. As far as the all, again, it did go into review. I think I mentioned that in the video on Swagbucks. Before I left the house today to do my deals, it was working. But once I got there, it wasn't working. So I don't know if I'll get credit for that. I'll pin a comment and let you guys know how that works out. But obviously if it doesn't work, it's just gonna go back to the store. And I think that basically covers it. So everything that you see here retails $166.71. I did have $17.50 in coupons. Again, they all scanned. I paid $149 and 21 cents out of pocket. Getting back $75 from Flavor Wiki. Swagbucks was $25. Ibotta was $23.25. My points is $22.31. FYI, I didn't have any gift cards clear. So basically right now, I'm waiting for, I think, 8. I'm waiting for 2 from the 5th, 2 from the 6th, 2 from the 7th, and 1 from the 8th. All right. And then Checkout 51 is $20.31. Fetch Reward was $18.20. And Shopkick was $4.60. So getting back a total of $188.67 back makes everything you see here free plus a $39.46 money maker, which is so freaking awesome. Like we got breakfast, we got dessert, we got goodies for the teachers, just like his teachers and stuff. We got paper to kind of get us started for Christmas, which is so awesome. And we got laundry deals. You cannot complain with this haul. This was an awesome haul. Our emoji, just like I said, I think he said a coin. If you make it to the end of the video, I want to see a coin. Other than that, what's your favorite deal today? Honestly, I'm going to say the food. I like laundry, but I like food because you can't eat no laundry. Well, I mean, some people probably eat the laundry, but that's just, to be honest. But that pie looks so freaking good. Oh, I did want to mention with the pie. You could also get pumpkin as well, but that store didn't have any pumpkin. I think there's like 3 or 4 different ones that are on rollback. But that was an awesome deal, you guys. That was a really awesome deal because it ended up being a lot cheaper than I expected. And so other than that, I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. As always, thanks again for watching. Bye, guys.